Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can take any app from your Pencil app library and make it a full screen view. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to start by navigating to my app library and selecting the app that I would like to add to my whiteboard. So any one of these apps can be made a full screen view, but today I'm going to be demonstrating this with Desmos. So to add it to my whiteboard, I'm just going to click on it. And now, as you can see, Desmos has appeared on my whiteboard. So to maximize my collaborative experience, I would like to make this a full screen app. That way it takes up my entire space. So to do this, I'm going to navigate to the three dots found at the top right-hand corner of my app. I'm going to click on it. And from there, I'm going to select full screen app. And now, as you can see, the Desmos app takes up my entire whiteboard space. You do not lose the visual of your video calling, however. To exit out of full screen, just click exit full screen, and you'll be taken back to your regular whiteboard view. A great tool to utilize with full screen app view is leader mode. If you want your students to be in full screen view with you, just activate leader mode and the app will become a full screen app for them as well. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.